Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create a beautiful scrollable image gallery in Wix, perfect for portfolios, product display or a photo collection. So let's get started. First, log into your Wix account and go to the top right side of your screen and select design site. Now it will land you on your site. It may take a moment. Once you are in, so go to the place where you want to attach your image gallery. Now go to the left side and you will see the plus icon labeled as add elements. Just click on this and search for gallery. Now here you will see several gallery options. You can add anyone whatever you like. Just add, click on this and this will add your gallery to your site. You just have to arrange it by drag and drop. If you want to customize this, go to the settings and here you will see several options like layout, design, advanced. If you want to change the layout, you can see there are many options, or you can also take customized layout like vertical, horizontal. And once it's done, then switch to the mobile view. Make sure that the scrollable gallery looks clean. You can resize or rearrange images if you want. Now, as you can see here in the mobile view, our image gallery is looking so pretty. Once you are satisfied with the design, you just have to click on preview and to test the scroll, then hit the publish to make it live. And that's it. You have successfully created a scrollable gallery in Wix. Thank you for watching.